Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you a special way, how to create different logo design by using one shape, and show you, how generate logo idea from another logo, and I also show you, how to use gradient color on these logos. So, make sure to watch carefully to the end, and then write in the comments section the most valuable information, that you find in this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start the video. First take rectangle tool, and draw a square. Go to Object, select Path, now select Split into Grid. Make it row 4. Now delete 3 rows. Take Move tool and carve like this. Okay, that's fine. This is the main source for our tutorial. We make different logos by using this shape. So keep watching. First we make S letter. So copy the shape. For copy, click right button of mouse, and select Transform, and click Reflect. Copy this upper shape by hold Alt. Match the shape like this. Okay, that's perfect. Now rotate this logo. Okay, this is S letter logo. Now make it colorful. We make another letter from it. Copy the logo by hold Alt. Rotate this. Okay, what's the letter? This is N letter. Copy again S letter. We make another letter. Rotate it, and delete the part. Take Move, and make small like this. Okay, that's done. Copy the S letter again. Rotate it. Copy one part and match like this. Okay, that's fine. Now make another letter from this. Just rotate it in this upper part. Just flip past it. Okay, now we make another letter from it. Just keep watching. Okay, that's fine. Again we make another logo. Lock this two parts. Take Move tool, and make small like this. Rotate this. Wow, this is like W letter. Now we make colorful all logos. Just keep watching. Listen, every time when you try making logo 1, try to make another logo from the main logos. If you try, I think you can do it. So this is how I make different logos by using only one shape. I can make another logos by this shape, but video length is being long, that's why I don't make more. So thank you for your attention. I hope I helped with this video. So don't forget to comment with valuable information that you find it. Push the like button and subscribe my channel if you didn't yet. See you in another video.